Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to become Glovo delivery rider. So first is first, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you know the requirements, be at least 18 years old up, have a valid ID residence, own a smartphone, have means for transportation and some locations. Now register online, go to the Glovo website or Glovo career sign up in your country. And then you can click the very first link that you can see here or anything that has global sign up. And this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to select your country. So you have to click this arrow facing down, tap your country, and after that, select your vehicle after. So you need to fill out the application form with your personal details, email, and phone number here. So if I'm going to click this arrow facing down, I can search for a country like Italy or wherever Glovo is available. And also, like what I've said or mentioned earlier, you must have the means of transportation like bike, scooter, motorbike, or car, depending on the city. So once you have added the information here, like your city and also your transportation, and then you can fill in some information like your name, last name, and so on. Also, you need to upload documents here like your ID, provide your bank account, attend online training, get your gear, and activate your account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.